We're excited about the 5th Oxford Myeloma Workshop. We have some great speakers tackling kind of 4 key areas. One is around clinical challenges currently existing still for myeloma patients, looking at how the current research can impact on clinical practice is another topic that we're looking at. The third is we continue to discover new novel mechanisms of treating myeloma. So we have a session focused on it. And we're also focused on the novel methodologies that can impact on myeloma care, both on the bench research as well as translational research. So we've got a great set of speakers, and hopefully we'll have good discussion and debate to try and see what we can all collectively take back home to continue to make a difference to myeloma patients.